We're on Zhuhai de Regedor. I'll put the name down below. And it's raining like crazy. We're gonna walk down the street if we can in the rain.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we got a rainy day, kind of flooding in a lot of places. Got some restaurants here. The rain is, it's been raining for about at least an hour and a half. Let's just see how far down we can get. Yeah, actually there's flooding in the streets, and we just happen to have this sort of rain guard right here. The restaurants seem pretty busy as well. So yeah. Oh, yeah, some of the drops come in too, so when they hit my arm, I get pretty wet. Show you some of the other stuff too. Boat noodles. Yeah, my feet are pretty wet. Lots of the restaurants are pretty busy right now too. Luckily we got a rain guard up above us, so but still some of the water escapes through the rain guards too though. So yeah. So just keep on walking down. Okay, now you can see more of the flooding right as the buses go by. And actually as I walk as well, there's it's getting kind of wet. A lot of people are stuck in the McDonald's. We won't be able to walk too far because there you go. Now you can see the way the water's coming in, right? And if they were to come real close, like this one right here, it'd get pretty wet. The water's kind of going downhill, so yeah, that really splashed up right there as well. Yeah, there you can see all the water's coming up when the vehicles come by, right? So anyways, it's August 1, we're on Zhuhai de Regedor. It's been raining hard. Gotta be careful with the vehicles. My shoes are wet. And everybody's been kind of stuck in their restaurants or on the street for about an hour. School right over there. Yeah, we're in Taipa, by the way, in case anybody's curious. Or kind of hugging the wall. My shoes are wet. Keep on walking all the way down. Yeah, even though there's a plastic guard up in front, but even that, the water's kind of dripping through it, but luckily we have that cool rain guard right there. Let's go all the way down to the end. It's kind of cool right here, right? You sit right here, just rain and kind of watch everything. See if we can go down a little bit further. Go all the way down to the end. This is a kiosk, and down over that side is Galaxy. See, that's the train line right there. So anyways, here we are. There's Regedor is the name of the street right here. There's all the water coming in. So this is not a bad, there's usually not very much flooding in this area, but there's so much rain that probably other parts of Macau it's still flooding. So anyways, so the taste of Taipa on a rainy Sunday afternoon. Chiquinha, chiquinha.